This low-carbohydrate, high-fat diet is a metabolic journey that transforms the way our bodies fuel themselves. Keto-friendly foods, nourishing your body for ketosis. Avocado, olive oil, coconut oil, and nuts are staples in a keto pantry. These fats not only provide satiety but also promote ketone production. Opt for quality protein sources like lean meats, fish, and eggs. Moderate protein intake to prevent excess protein from hindering ketosis. Low-carb vegetables such as spinach, kale, cauliflower, and broccoli are rich in fiber and essential nutrients without compromising your carb limit. High-fat dairy products like cheese and butter can be included in moderation. While fruits are generally limited due to their natural sugar content, berries like raspberries and blackberries can be enjoyed in moderation. If you're interested in keto lifestyle, grab and get your free 21 keto recipes. Just follow the link in the description.